being software on, probably wondering, how do you get it? So we made it really simple. So after we launch, if you have the most recent Facebook app on Android and you have Messenger on Android, you'll see this. Just click Install. And that's going to take you to the Play Store. Because if you're just software on Android, the easiest way to get installed is to come off the Google Play Store. It handles the download, it handles the installation, setup, puts a shortcut on your home screen, you're good to go. Now, there is one small difference, as with anything that handles intents on Android. When you launch it, Android wants to make sure you really want to do this. And so you really have two choices. The first is you're just kind of exploring home, you just heard about it, you just want to try it out, so you just go try once. Or you're walking out of here, you're super psyched, and you're just like, I'm in. And so you just do always, and then you're good to go. And that's it. Home is up and running on your phone. And what's great about being software on Play is it actually potentially makes us available to a really wide range of Android devices. We think Home is going to be a great experience on tablets. It has an almost Chromeless UI. It has huge images, a great tactile interface. We think this is going to be a really great way to experience Home and Facebook on tablets. Now, we aren't quite done with tablets yet, so this isn't at launch. We're not going to be launching on tablets. We are going to try to make it available on tablets within several months after we launch. And that ability to update is important. Normally when you think about system software like an operating system or a phone, you think about once a year. You think about getting that new operating system and saying, wow, this has a bunch of cool new features. And then those are the only features you get for a year. And we don't think that's fast enough. And so like all of our other mobile apps, Home is going to release every month. And so every month, Home is going to come out, it's going to have more features, it's going to work on more devices, and it's going to be better, just like everything else we do on mobile. And there had been a lot of speculation about how we would build this. Are we going to make a Facebook operating system? Are we going to massively fork Android? And it's not the right way to do this. Android was built from the ground up to be open. It is architecturally open. Android's intent system means that software running on Android can profoundly change the user experience, add new features, and bring new things to users. You saw Joey demonstrate SMSs. You can be the default camera, you can be the dialer, keyboard, you can insert search results, or in our case, you can be the home on the device. And if you're going to make a really deep immersive experience on Android, this is how you do it. Started 2012, we set out to make Facebook mobile first, which meant that we wanted every team at Facebook focused on making great mobile products and great mobile experiences. Last year, we released an entirely rebuilt iOS app, and we rebuilt the feed experience on Android. And that was really the first step in transforming how we built mobile products at Facebook. Home's the next step. With Home, it's not just mobile first, but mobile best. We want mobile to be the best, the most natural, the highest quality way to access Facebook. So when we set out to build Home, we challenged ourselves to build the highest quality experience on Android. We rewrote core components to make them fast and responsive. We built an entirely new UI layer based on physics, so that every time you're swiping between images or you're playing around with chat heads, it feels physical and real. I want to just take a moment to thank all the teams that let us show you Home today. And with that, I'm going to hand it back to Mark.
All right, thanks, Corey. We're really proud of Home, and we're excited to get it in your hands. From how immersive the content is to the joy you feel when your friend's face pops up with a new message to how natural and smooth all the interactions are, we think that this is the best version of Facebook there is. And this is the result of a lot of hard work. And importantly, none of this would be possible without all of the activity and sharing that this amazing community does all day long. So I want to take a moment to thank everyone who worked on this and everyone who's watching on the live stream who is a part of this community and is making all this possible. Thank you, guys. All right, now I want to show you a fun